Hey, what's up guys? Here is another quick video for you. If you ever needed to replace your steering wheel airbag, well, I'm gonna show you how. As you can see, I have my new airbag right here, and all you need is a flathead screwdriver, or you can make your own tool like I did here. I use it for BMWs and Porsche is very similar. So anyway, before you do this, don't forget to disconnect your battery. It's very important that you don't have power at all. And on the bottom of the steering wheel, there's a little hole right there. So you're just gonna put my tool right there and feel for a rod. The rod is loaded with a spring, and you're gonna push it up. So there we go, and my airbag is gonna come out. Then we have these three connections. Orange cap comes first, and then the rest. And there's a ground right here. Put the new one back on, and then we just insert it, press on it, and it's done. Very fast, very simple. And like I said, all Porsches are very similar. I know the Macan is same, but instead of one, it has two. So basically one here and one the other side. But you can use something like this, or two flatheads, whatever is easier for you. But process is the same, as well as BMWs. They're very similar. So as you can see right there, I'll show you here really quick how it works. There we go. So basically you push in this rod and it's releasing the airbag. That's all you have to do. So I hope this video helps to somebody out there. If you liked the video, or if you got anything out of it, please consider to give thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.